Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit two clips together using masking in CapCut. So here I'm going to blend these two videos into one by using the masking feature. So what you need to do is click on one of the video and make it as overlay. Okay, now on the overlay video, let's go to mask, select the horizontal option, and then here position it like this to 90 degrees. And after that, to have a blending effect, you can just drag this arrow or add some feather like this. Click on a check icon. There you go. You can now blend two videos into one using masking like this. So that is how you can edit two clips together using masking. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.